So like 5, still time is there. 1 minute to go. Okay, ma. What is that ringing? Something
Welcome all. We are starting soon.
Yeah. What is that ringing?
Welcome all. We are starting soon.
I put. Stereo.
इसको कॉपी from mail and open the mail, open the Gmail. Open the Gmail. You have this copy. No, yeah.
Stanza. Admit. Sir, admit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ sir?
वो दीपक एडमिट ओपन कर दो उसको.
हाँ.
अभी अपने आप लोग आने दो.
ठीक है.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
Now YouTube live is also there, and then people has come. They are waiting for the program to start. Welcome to all. We will be starting very soon. Just waiting for few more people. Thanks for joining and showing the interest. There is a YouTube link is also there. You can share to your friends if they want to join via YouTube. I have shared in the chat for that. In the Zoom chat it is there. You can find in the Zoom chat.
दीपक.
Yes.
वो जो लोग आता है ना उसका जो साउंड है ना निकाल दो उसको. वो बेल रिंग का साउंड आ रहा है ना उसको निकाल दो.
Okay, madam.
associate sponsor.
अब दीपक वो सबको म्यूट करके रखो।
ಇದು ಭಾರತೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ನ ಕೋಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಾ ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Unmute.
हाँ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
Are you going to talk in Kannada only?
No, it is in English. Yeah. Please, all of you, keep your videos on.
If the chief guest is not in,
Yeah, she's there. Yeah, she's there. Yeah. I would like to introduce her. Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Uma Dharmaraj, and I'm a teacher of Art of Living. And from few months, we are doing this webinars. So I thought, let me do one more webinar regarding composting, leaf composting, and also how to make kitchen composting in leaf compost bin. Okay. So I'll be
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. I'll be introducing Suhasini. Suhasini is a information science engineer, and she is very much active in social service. And she has done a lot of work for the BPMP and also for the in and around in Bangalore. And in 2016, she has made her own this one NGO called Vedan, and very much active and very humble girl. So I did not know much about her, and I saw some videos in WhatsApp and all, everywhere. Then one of the friend introduced me about Suhasini. I just called her and I find out, can you make some time for us to about this live webinar? Then she was ready, and we all got together, and very much thankful to Suhasini making some time for us. She is very, very busy, but still she is here for all of us. And please make it a point, keep your videos on, please. Yeah, thank you. Suhasini, over to you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. So hopefully you will get to know about the leaf composting, and hopefully the most important thing is you will do it in your area. That is a need of the hour. Now it's time for us to act rather than just talk. So I'll just get into it. Madam has already said. So Vedan, we started in 2016, and we are into health, education, and environment. As a part of environment, we are into the solid waste management. So why the segregation, we keep telling about it. See, what is waste to us, but if you give it in a required manner and at the right time, it will be a resource to the another person. This is a concept. So as I say, right, the waste is not waste, it is wealth. So that is the thing. So source to utilize the waste for as a source, we need to segregate it. So segregation is a key key here. We have to segregate the waste. If you don't segregate the waste, then it will not be useful to anybody. Then another one is we have to adopt 7 R's. This is, we don't have choice now. Now it has become our responsibility that we have to adopt these 7 R's. The 7 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, refuse, repair, and rethink. So these are the 7 R's that we need to think about. So I will not get into this. It's just a brief. Now I want all of you to watch this video. So as you saw there, our nature is very beautiful, but wherever we go, we humans, we throw all our plastics and all single-use waste there. So why am I giving you this introduction? Because what made me to get into this, and to understand the story behind it, this becomes very important. So wherever I go, I make sure I carry my steel bottle. I absolutely don't use the single-use plastics. As much as, like, at least I can say 90% I don't use. So like that, if we can bring that change in our lifestyle, we can change a lot of things. So now why source segregation is very important. Please watch this video. See, as you saw in the video, from Mandur, landfill is taking the waste from past 15 years. Now it's been 5 years, it has been stopped. Now it went to Mavalipura, also took some of our waste. Now it is being dumped into the Belhalli. So it has become, we cannot afford any more landfills. So the source, if you segregate the waste, in Bangalore, there are 7 processing units where the things can be handled properly. That is a wet waste. And another is a dry waste. Anywhere the recyclers are there. So source segregation is very important. And the second best thing is we don't give our waste at all. Suppose you have your wet waste, we can compost it in our house in a very and simple manner. Trust me, I'm also a lazy girl, okay, in a way. People say, right, there are, if we tell them to compost, three reasons we get. I don't have time, I don't have space, and I don't have patience. So these 3 things is a common reason that we get to know. But in spite of seeing all this, see, the landfill, it has 2 Nandi hills has been created made of garbage in Mandur village. They are still suffering. If you go there, the red color liquid flows. So if we are conscious enough not to trouble those people, then we have to segregate, and it is even better if we can compost it so that we don't send anything at all to any other. So in-house, I am producing my waste and it is my responsibility to handle it. So that is the way forward. So let us come to the topic for which everybody have assembled here. So the story goes like this. In front of my house, lot of leaf used to fall. There is one tree there. So what I did is I asked my father, I want a metal mesh. I got it. I got this mesh for 5,500 rupees. With the and that dimension is about 1.5 feet in diameter, and the height was 4.5 feet. So this was the thing I got. But Lakshmi, she's a PK. So we told her, see, whatever leaf that falls in front of a house and a neighbor house, you sweep and you put it here. But this volume, it could not take. By 4-5 days, it got filled up. Then I asked my father, no, I want a bigger one. So that is when my father, he actually got this PVC coated mesh. You can see here in the middle, you can see in the mid, actually we did a repot at that time. I told my parents that we are not sending any of the repots in a tractor. We will compost it here. That is what you're seeing. That is the first PVC coated mesh that we installed in our house, and that is a repotted thing, the middle photo. And the side photo that you see, you can see we have dumped all the flowers, leaves, and the beautiful compost you can see. That is the output. So first, we went with the metal. Metal was costly for us to afford. That is when we went to the this PVC coated mesh. So I'll just play this video. You can see it comes in a roll, and you can cut it into the required diameter that you need. I will, in the coming slide, I will give you for what diameter, what length you have to cut. So you can just watch this video. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಲೀಫ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಈ ತರ ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೋಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಈಗ 4.5 ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 15 ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
Increase the volume, Suhasini.
Increase the volume. So ಈ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ PVC, you will get this PVC coated mesh. So one roll will be 10 meter or it will be 33 feet. So I will show you live. So I'll just, it's just an introduction so that you can see live how you can do. So you can cut it into any diameter that you require. So these are the things you need to remember. Please remember, for if you are going for a 3 feet or 3.5 feet, there is, you don't need a pole. Pole, I mean, I'll show you in the next picture. So you don't need any pole. But if you're going for 10 feet, 7 feet, I've mentioned the number of poles that would be required. See, the mesh, it is just to hold the leaves. That's all. It the weight will fall on the ground. So it will make a compact. The leaves will be in the compact position. So the weight will fall on the floor. So this you need to remember. It is just a circumference you need to calculate for the diameter. And why circle is important is because if we take the same PVC coated mesh and if we try to do it in rectangle or square, it's just a simple mathematics. If we do it in the circle for the same material, we can put the volume will be more. So that's why when you're buying this mesh, make sure you put it in a circle only. Don't go for rectangle and square, even though it is tempting. It will be very tempting for you guys to put it in rectangle square because it is easy to do it. But for the same material, for the length, the more volume, you will get it in circle. So please go for circle. Why this PVC coated mesh attracts is because the cost is less. The 33 feet, that is, if you're buying a ½ inch square, it is now costing around 2,240 rupees. If you are going for a ½ inch square, then it will cost you around I think 2,300 or somewhere, because the material will be more. So you need to remember, whenever you are buying this PVC coated mesh, make sure you get the right gauge. For ½ inch square, it is for ½ inch square, the gauge is 16. And for the quarter inch square, the gauge is 18. Please remember this and make sure that shopkeepers doesn't cheat you guys, because they say the same, they cheat in the gauge. Next is, it is cost effective. Installation is very easy. I will show you. And negligible maintenance, there is nothing. You have to just keep dumping the leaves, and it can be shifted anywhere you want, and it looks beautiful also. So existing method, as we all know, is that is a metal mesh. That will, for that picture that you're seeing, it will cost around 15,000 rupees or so if you try to do it in the metal. And this is a cement thing. For the leaves is a beautiful asset. We don't have to do extra work for it. We just have to give some time to it and some space so that it gets so that the microbes and the earthworms, they do the job. We don't have to do anything. We just have to give some 3 feet space for the leaves to compost. And there is absolutely no smell at all. You won't get any smell. There will be no mosquitoes. All of us need to understand this one thing. Mosquitoes, they cannot breed in this mesh, or they cannot stay, because the heat would be generated and it would be compact. It would be compact. So the mosquitoes cannot stay underneath the leaves. So you don't have to worry about the mosquitoes, neither the smell. If smell was an issue, the whole forest should have smelled. So that is not a case. So we have to make sure that we put water. So I'll explain that in live. What you're seeing, she's a Vani ma'am. She's a volunteer. This is in ward number 132. You can see we are putting, that is a 10 feet diameter mesh. So we have put a circle. I'll show you that how to put it. You just have to encircle it. So like that, we have put this in a park. Now they will put it in 2 more rings would be put. It was put it as a pilot project. Now it has been successful. So they are now going for another 2 rings. She will speak to you live, where she will tell her experience, and you can see live there the same thing. I'll just show. This is the Ideal Home Association. This is in the RR Nagar. Wherever there was a space, they have installed all these mesh there, and they are composting the leaves in the house. So you don't have to worry about smell and mosquitoes. And this is a small video. Just the way we look at things should change. So just have a look. So whatever is possible, we should do it. If we have space, if we have that interest, and if all of us decide, okay, at least from my side, I will do my best. Instead of thinking, okay, let's plant plastic, let the government do, let the other people do. So if we have that intention that from my side, I as an individual will not harm as much as possible, because certain carbon footprint would be there. So we cannot avoid that as much as we are alive, but how much we can reduce, that will make a lot of difference. So please don't burn leaves. So I will take you live to my garden. Everything is set up there so that you can see the live material. This was just an introductory thing. So we will go to the, we will see the mesh live. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, please bear with me. I'll just mute this. Please, Deepak. Wait,
Yes.
yeah, has it been
Okay. So
not very Endel is a co-host.
okay. What's your name you told?
Endel. That's what you're gonna.
Can you tell spelling? Or type? Or just you shared the message now?
You message him.
Yes.
Chat. Share.
Hi.
Yes. You are already a co-host, Yanthal.
Yes, he is a co-host. He wants to screen.
Yes.
Okay. Then you well.
Studios on. He's asking the video.
Is video visible?
Not yet.
Is it don't burn leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
fine.
is it Endel RGR?
Yes.
What?
That's why I was just
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yes,
Not
yes,
yet.
visible. Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So Endel RGR. Yeah. Okay. So this is a PVC coated mesh that I'm talking about. This is a 18 gauge. You can see this is a quarter inch square.
Suhasini?
So for households, if you are
Not Suhasini, not visible. Like, it's not visible.
not visible, sir. In Endel, you make
No.
Endel as a.
Suhasini, we can see only don't burn leaf. It is
Okay.
stuck, I think so.
Ma'am, not that one, ma'am. Ma'am, you stop sharing, ma'am. Now, ma'am,
Once.
can you see the PVC?
दीपक थोड़ा उसको हेल्प करो क्या चाहिए
I have spotlighted you, Yanthal. Just you start your video, you can see it. First, you
Yeah, it is there.
stop sharing. Okay.
Okay. So this is the 18 gauge mesh. This is a quarter inch square. Okay. Please ask for PVC coated mesh. Don't buy.
Suhasini, we are not able to see anything there.
Not coming.
Ma'am, spotlight, ma'am, Endil na.
Until already
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
spotlight is there.
Then why it is not visible, ma'am? Camera.
You
is
stop
not
the screen share. Now it is
yeah,
good.
now
It will come.
it is. Now it is coming. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Sorry. Done. It's visible.
Yes, we can see now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
It's visible. Okay.
Now it is perfect.
Okay. So now
Go
it
ahead.
is, so as you can see, this is a quarter inch square. Please buy PVC coated mesh. Don't buy the plastic mesh like this because it will not have any strength. This is a plastic mesh. But in the PVC coated mesh, in the metal over which a plastic coating would be there. So you would get a roll like this as shown in the video there. Okay. This will be 33 feet. Next is, according to the diameter that you require, you need to cut the roll like this. This is the using the twine wire. This is a twine wire. You can cut it in this cutter. You can easily cut this mesh with this cutter also. You just cut it. You
1 second,
You cut
Sonia. Suhasini, 1 second. Stuck ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ. Screen stuck ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು.
getting stuck.
You do one thing na. You keep it your mobile screen ಇಕ್ಕೋ. So what is going on you can see.
Okay.
ನಿನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೂಡನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು.
Ha, ma'am, one minute. You add the same network. Your network is weak.
Just take the dongle. That one is.
Hello, ma'am.
ಅದು ನೀನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಕೈ
Start
stuck
video.
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes. It's good. So you want to share the screen? Yeah, that is fine. This is good now.
Ma'am, is it visible?
1 second.
We are not able to hear them.
Yes.
Yeah, it is coming.
Yes,
little
visible.
low,
Okay.
but it is visible.
Yes.
Fine. So please don't buy plastic mesh. Okay, please go for this. And using the cutter, you can cut it. You can cut this this fine wire with the cutter.
Just keep it inside.
No, I think I can wait. I don't know. Okay,
Okay.
you can just tie this fine wire based on the, you just cut this fine wire, okay? And according to the diameter, you can just stand like this. See, we have put a twine wire here. Like this. You have to tuck it to the top to bottom, you have to tuck it. So once you have done, once the compost is ready, you don't have to lift this. You just have to remove this twine wire, remove your mesh like this, and you can take out the compost. So this is very simple. You don't need any labor, or it's not that it is very heavy also. Because the material is very sturdy, this is one advantage of this thing. So like this, when you are done with the compost, just remove this twine wire. That's all. So I'll take you to me. So this is my compost garden, as you can see. Okay. So this is the heap method that I've tried. This is nothing, just I have tried the heap method. I am putting one layer of the leaf. I'm putting this is the microbe that I use. You can use any microbe. Okay, I get it from the daily dump. You can use any microbe also, no problem. So I make a layer by layer. I put a leaf. So
Ask them why we can just ask them.
why you should
Just ask whether we are audible. You just ask whether you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, perfect. Please go on. It is
Hello,
coming
am
good.
I audible?
Yes, it is good.
Audible, Idyappa. Continue.
So as you can see, this in this bucket, I can see this. I'm just putting 1 spoon. Okay, I didn't get the spoon, so I'm just putting 1 spoon of the microbes. So just put this microbes like this. Okay, weekly for the heap system, I'm telling. So for the heap system, what you have to do is, I'll just show you here. You just layer the leaves like this. This water, you take it, just sprinkle on it. Then you take the second layer like this. You make a second layer and you just sprinkle the water that is there in the thing. Like this, you sprinkle. So this is a heap method. So for this, it requires bit effort. I'm just trying it out how it will come. Very easy method is the PVC coated mesh. See here, I'm not doing anything. I have asked my PK, that is Lakshmi, to dump the leaves that are there on the road. You can see that is a tree that sheds tree. That is a tree that sheds the leaf. So she will sweep the road and she will dump it here. So it is simple as that. Weekly once we put this water that is there with the microbes. If is not there, what you can do is, if you have a curd which is very old, see this is 3 days old curd, okay? You can just pour the water. Here microbes have been added, but you can add water, just water, okay? Just I'm pouring like this. Old curd, you can just dump it here like this. That's all. Even this will also act as microbes. So you don't have to worry that I don't have microbes as such. You can use your old curd also and just do it like this. That's all. I put a curd and I'm on that. I'm doing layering. You can see how beautifully this has got composted here. There are a lot of earthworms have come here. I just hope you will be lucky enough to get the earthworms. You can see there. You can see the earthworms. It's a natural earthworm. We have not added even one earthworm. So it has naturally come. So we are not doing anything. We are just giving time and space. So you might feel that this has got bent. This quality is not good, what I took for the first. So, but even then, when I remove the compost, I can bring back to the shape. So that is not an issue. So as you come forward, you can come here. Actually, you can see in the mesh, you saw the video, no? To make a space for that, I removed the compost that I created using this mesh. and I dumped all the leaves of the trees here. So it will just, before in the pot it was like this. Now it has reduced in size, as you can see. So I don't do anything. Anyway, rainfall is there. Now I don't have to water it also. Only during summer I have to make sure it is wet. That's all. Apart from that, I don't do anything. There is no work at all. Just put this mesh, keep dumping the leaves. Weekly once you water it with microbes. If you are not interested in buying microbes also, it's totally fine. Within 8 months or 6 months, it will become composted. You can see this. This is ready to use. You can easily use this to your garden. So this is done. Now we will go to the what I'm doing with my wet waste. So before I used to do it in the drum. Okay, this drums has got the holes. So what I used to do is the wet waste that is there in my house. I used to. This is the wet waste. So I used to dump it. Even this bucket is also has got some holes. Okay, so I'll just show you here. So what I used to do is, this is the wet waste I used to put. Okay. The bottom layer should have the coco pit. I'm not just putting the coco pit. The bottom layer is the coco pit. So if this is my day one base, I will put the coco pit like this. Then I'm putting the day two waste. This is my day two waste. Okay. Then I'm putting another layer of coco pit. Day three, I will do like this. Put my day three waste. So like this, I will keep on doing the layering part. So like this I used to do. Now what I've done is, instead of going for this method, I anyway have this metal mesh as you saw there. So before that, leaf compost was ready. So what I did is, I used to take my wet waste, 1 minute. Now what I'm doing is, I'm just taking this wet waste. I'm dumping here. Just I dump this. Just I dump. I'm also dumping this now because I don't need the bucket now. I'm just dumping. Okay, it's not coming. So I just dump it like this. Now at the bottom, this compost is ready, right? So I just take this out so you can see the compost is ready. I just take this out like this. Surprisingly, even here it has also got a bit of earthworms here. So I just dump it. Just cover it. That's all. So 1:3 is a ratio. That means if you put 1 jug of kitchen waste, you have to put 3 jug of this compost. You can, that's what I am doing like this. You can see here, last. Earthworms, where is the earthworms? Not found now. Okay. So I just pour it like this. That's all. I'm done for the day and I just spread it out. So this is very simple. During the rain time, I don't cover this. It will be open. I'm not covering anything. So this is one thing. Most importantly, when I gave this idea to my neighbors, they were having few issues. Okay. Now see the neighbor. Sir, her name is Veena. Okay. So she will tell her own experience. Now she is actually dumping her wet waste into this ring. Now she is gonna get the. Now she will get the mesh. She's getting the mesh on Tuesday now. So she will also start composting. So nimdu issues ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇನಿದೆ.
ನಾವು ಈ ಗೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊಬ್ಬರದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಭಯ ಪಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದು ಕಸನೇನು ಇಡಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಸ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆನು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಗೂ ಇದೇ ತರ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವ್ ಇಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಸ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ಕಸನ್ನ ಇಡಲ್ಲ. ಕಸನೂ ಸಹ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ತಂದು ಸುರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ದು ನಾವು ಸಹ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು BBMP ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇ ತಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹಸಿ ಕಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಇಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರಿಂದ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
So as you can see, it took 1 year for her to get the confidence that nothing will happen. In fact, initial days also, my parents were also very, they were also questioning about it. Now even they are also happy because they don't have to wait for the auto and then give their waste to him. So at their timings, she can come here, she will just dump here and she will put the cocoa butter. This is what we are doing. There are different ways. If we have intention, if our intention is clear, then the way will be very clear. So this is one thing I want to tell you. And I want to make live, sir, can you spotlight Bharatesh Patil, sir?
Yes, sure.
Deepak, sir, Bharatesh Patil.
Yes.
Bharatesh, can you send hi? So here you can see Bharatesh, he will show you. We have put 10 diameter, 10 diameter mesh we have put. So it is in a school. It is working well. They have demanded one more also. As you can see her, she's standing just next to it. She's holding it also. So there is absolutely no smell. So there is absolutely no smell, nothing. As you can see, she's standing next to it. Otherwise, you would have seen even my parents would have thrown me out of the house. So there is no smell, no nothing. It is very simple method.
Suhasini,
Yes,
Suhasini,
ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You come to the camera till he come here.
Okay.
I would like to ask you 1 or 2 questions which I have.
Yeah. They can ask me questions. Yes.
Yeah, no. Just let me ask my questions because
Yes,
these are the general questions. Yeah, Bhartesh has come. Yeah,
Bhartesh?
Bhartesh, you take over. We will ask later. Yeah.
Yeah. Bhartesh? So, ma'am, spotlight the Bhartesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Bhartesh ಅವರೇ.
Yes, you unmute yourself.
ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನ. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ನ.
Yes, ma'am. Bhuvan, unmute it.
Unmute.
Unmute it, Bhartesh.
Yeah.
My name is Bhartesh and I'm from Cambridge Institute of Technology. We have installed a leaf composter at VVNHS school in Kyatpuram. This is really very helpful. It's a PVC mesh coat. And in this, we have done it a circular shape because circular shape can hold more leaf in that and compared to rectangle and square. And this is a 10 feet dia ring. And how to construct this is, it's very simple. It takes only 5 steps. From the center, from the middle of this, you have to mark a point. From there, you take 5 feet radius and go through the round wherever you want to go through the center. And to make the ring stand, for its strength to come, we keep the support as the plastic pipes throughout it. If you are taking a 10 diameter ring, then we have to put 5 supporting pipes for it to stand safely. It doesn't need the ring doesn't need any grooving to the ground, but the pipe needs 1 inch ground. We have to dig it inside and place the pipe inside. You can have a look on the leaves, which is already composted. This is the government school. They have already put all the leaves here and they don't give any leaf to the BBMP and they don't burn any leaves over here. And as you can see, I'll show you. It's already become manure in the ground. You can see as they're putting water and maintaining it. So as they are asking for another ring to be installed, we have approved them and we will install one more ring coming this week itself. As it is already overfilled, you can take a look of the whole ring.
Can you show us closely where you put the poles? How they are?
Ma'am, I'll show you that. Put a circle here.
How did you fix it? ಅದು ಪೋಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Ma'am, ಇದು ring, ma'am. There's a pole where we support it. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ma'am?
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes.
ಇದು black pole, ma'am. Telephone ಆಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
So this is for the support of the ring to make it in a circular way, not to get compressed. As you can see, they
Is
had
it a
only
PVC
one ring.
or
It's a PVC mesh.
is it a PVC? Okay, how
Yes,
much inch it is and how thick it is? Can you show it closely? That
Ma'am,
PVC
that is a
pipe,
16 gauge, ma'am.
because it should be very strong, otherwise it can't hold it, na? Yeah. Camera ತುಂಬಾ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, just focus on the pipe. Because let the people see how it is. Huh? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Just
Okay,
stop there.
continue. Yeah, got it. How many are there?
Ma'am, it's a 5
many?
pipe. We have placed 5 pipes for the support for it to stand.
Hmm.
And we
How
have
many-
one opening for it to remove all the manual after it is done. And it's
How
very
will you
simple to
open?
install it also.
How will you open it when it is full? When it is ready?
Ma'am, there is we just put tag and leave it when you're closing it.
Okay.
So you can just cut the tag
Ah.
and it gets open, so you can remove it from down.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, spotlight Vani, ma'am. Vani.
Vani.
Vani, ma'am, say hi, ma'am, in the group. Vani, ma'am, you are live. Ma'am, nimd experience ಹೇಳಿ.
Hello.
Vani, ma'am, ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Yeah, you tell.
Vani, ma'am.
You to unmute.
Ma'am, ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Unmute
Oh.
yourself. Yes.
Unmute.
Can you hear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Can you hear me now? Yeah. Actually, we started in March, I think, with the help of Suhasini. See the things. This is already 4 months old. See, deep inside it's already manure is getting ready.
Yes, the internet is slow, looks like.
We are not able to hear you, and yeah.
Can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. It's 4 months old manure, madam. Deep inside, it's already, manure is getting ready. Once in a week, we mix 1 spoon of microbes into a bucket of this one water, and we pour into it.
There is some internet issue is there.
I think she's
Yes.
okay. Ma'am,
One
you just
second,
tell.
1 second.
Ma'am, ನಿಮ್ experience ಹೇಳಿ ma'am. ಕಸ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕಸ ವಾಸನೆ ಹುಳ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
No, till now we haven't experienced any smell or mosquito problems. Already we have done one kitchen waste. See the kitchen waste.
So cooked waste also you are using?
Pardon?
Cooked item.
Yeah,
Like
cooked item. Actually, I'm dumping all my kitchen waste into this bin. See, only for your view, I have removed this one today.
Okay.
Comparatively, this is smaller. Same mesh I'm using, 16 gauge mesh. This is very lightweight.
Yes. So
Actually, till now we haven't faced any problem. I mean, the mosquito problem or smell problem like that. tomorrow onwards, I am using this manure to my pots and all. And many of my neighbors also getting interested in all these things. Actually, I should say thanks to Suhasini for this one. And so many of my neighbors are really getting inspiration by all these things.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am. Ma'am, spotlight my thing, ma'am. I just said.
Okay.
Okay. Angel, ma'am. Angel. Spotlight Angel, ma'am.
Okay.
Can Deepak, can you do it?
Yes. Done.
Okay. So one thing you need to remember is when the lockdown happened, this in this mesh only I used to dump all my wet waste, including the mango, inside mango, what do you call it as mango? Seeds, mango seeds and all, we used to dump it just like that. So what used to happen there is with the leaf, as I said, if you can maintain 3:1 ratio, right? Now, no smell, nothing will come. You can, in fact, you can do this in the mesh. So that's why in Vani Mam's house, there is no problem because she's maintaining that ratio. It's just that initially you need to, when you do 2-3 times, you will get to know what it is. So it is very simple and very cost effective. So this is what it is. Just buy this. You can please put in schools, temples. See, according to the Hindu thing, we are not supposed to give it to the garbage. Actually, we should throw. So in temples and all, the huge flowers and just dump it. If we can install this 10 feet thing, all those flowers, even in parks also, we can save a lot of leaves. They just burn it everywhere. So this is very simple and cost effective. Cost is also matters, right? This is very cost effective. So this is what I want to tell. I think if anybody have doubt, they can ask me.
There are questions. Are there? You want to take up now or?
If anybody has doubt, please ask me.
So
Deepak, wait. Deepak, wait. I have 2-3 questions I would like to clarify so that the people will be cleared. This one, Suhasini, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
No, they are not
yeah.
hearing.
Camera.
I'm not able to hear in this.
We are able to hear you. You just be close by, that's all.
Yeah. One thing, see, as you can see, you have to put a circle like this. Equidistantly, you have to mark the circles like that. Okay. And here in this position, 1 feet deep, you have to dig and put the pole. And take the this coated mesh and you encircle that pole like this. Hold it. So once you have put the pole here, you take don't open the full roll, okay? It will be very difficult. So you just put the you just fold it like this and you keep rotating like this. To one another. Like this you have to. Once you have come one circle, when you have come like that, if you have come one circle, then you join the pole and the mesh. So that will be an easy process. So that's what I want to mention. So I'll come inside. I will take questions now. So spotlight Vedan. Okay. So hopefully, I don't know, was I in hurry or what? Because time was there like still 6 o'clock and we started early. So that's why I just went on. So anybody has doubt can ask me.
Super demo, Suhasini. Really very happy. Really happy, and you have given so much information.
Yes, ma'am. You had one
nice.
question, no, ma'am.
Yeah. I would like to take 2-3 questions which I have myself first. You were telling that during summer only we need to put water to the leaf. The people can do one more thing. If they have any problem with the water, they will wash their rice, dals and vegetables. they can collect that water in a bucket and they can use it for to make it moist. And also
Yes,
no,
yes.
before washing any utensils, that's something sabji or something will be left out in the plates which we consume food now. That all things they can put it in in water, in rice water, and they can pour this to the leaf. That also will helps a lot for to compost very fast. And one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
thing I would like to show. One second. You were talking about the this one. Uh, One second. One second. You were talking about the microbes. I want to show to the people. This is the waste decomposer. This is waste decomposer power. This one bottle, and you will get it in the Amazon. It's, you can see the price. It's 20. 1 year back. Now it may be 40 to 50 when you get it from the Amazon, but they don't give you only one piece. At least 4 pieces you need to take it. This contains. It will be in green in color. It's in the jelly form. It is dried now. It will be in green or white or brown in color. Only if it is green, white, and brown in color, uh, you can use it. Otherwise, you need to send it back. This has been manufactured by NCOF, Ghaziabad, Government of Central Government of India. Huh? This is made out of cow dung, nati cow dung, we say, nati cow dung, desi cows. Made out of desi cows. They have taken 3 microbes because this desi cow has so many microbes in the cow dung. They have selected 3 microbes from the cow dung of the nati cow dung, and they have cultured it. And they have cultured it, and they have made it in a gel form. So you will get it in a 40 or 50 rupees per bottle, and only once you need to buy it. Only once. It is like a curd. Okay, it is like a curd. You need to put a little bit of 20 liters of water and 100 grams of jaggery and stir it for a few days. Then in 1 week it will be ready. And if you want to make it more, again when it is comes to 2 liters, again add water and again you can put jaggery. Then at least it will multiply. Microbes will multiply. So only once you need to buy in your lifetime. It is like a curd. How you make curd. Okay, so she was talking about the microbes, and if you don't have microbes you can use the curd. You can use this for so many things are there. We will come to know about this in next this one webinar. Yeah, up to you, Suhasini. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
any
Any
questions
doubt
we
they
can
can
take.
ask.
Yeah. वो सुहासिनी को स्पॉटलाइट करो.
Questions are came in chat. First, we will take the chat questions, and then maybe we'll open the. So, the one question is actually related to rodent issue. Will have any issue of the rat and some other?
Sir, yeah, as I said, just leaves. You're adding only leaves to this compost mesh. There will be no rats, no rodents. When during the lockdown time, I said that mesh that I showed, in that I had put my 2 months of wet waste into it last year. Okay, I started this last year. That time, what used to happen is the rat used to come. It did not destroy my other plants. It did not destroy the mesh. It just used to come, have whatever they want. They used to eat, and they used to go back. In a way, they were helping in the air circulation. So if you have space, it doesn't matter. I'm talking about kitchen waste. Just leaves means no problem at all. Nothing will come. In the PVC coated mesh, if you have kept like that. In the metal mesh, there is no absolute no problem of the rat or rodents. In the metal mesh, the rat's problem won't come. Because they cannot go inside and all. So there is absolutely no problem. I'm putting my kitchen waste right in my metal mesh. There's absolutely no problem. But if you are okay with the rats and if you treat them as your part of ecosystem, as I used to do it in my PVC coated mesh, you can just allow them, they will feast and they'll go. I hope it's clear. Just leaves, no problem of rats. In the metal mesh, there, if you are putting your kitchen waste and other things, no problem of rats and rodents. In the PVC coated mesh, if you are, because we keep just on the floor, the rats will come, they will not destroy your mesh, they will just come, eat and go. So in a way, it will help in the air circulation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Suhasini. Another question is related to apartment.
Deepak, 1 second. Can you check in the YouTube also if there are any questions?
We'll go back that.
I will.
Yes.
Yeah, I will handle this WhatsApp.
Okay.
Zoom
So WhatsApp question you ask me. In the you are in the chat.
Yeah, I will take Zoom link chat. You go just check in YouTube. Any questions are there?
Sure.
And Suhasini, they were asking how to get this ready compost from the mesh.
I mean, they're asking PVC coated mesh, that ring.
Just check in YouTube. And the PVC coated mesh.
If you go to the SP road, there is one masjid. There are many vendors are there who sell this PVC coated mesh. So you can buy the mesh from there.
No, they were asking how to remove the compost from the mesh.
Remove the compost from the mesh. As I said, we are putting the twine wire, right? You just remove the twine wire, that's all. It will open like this. See, suppose this is a mesh. I have circled it like this. Okay, when the compost is ready, you remove the twine wire and it will get opened like this. And you can take the compost. So you don't have to...
Yeah, even at the bottom... Even at the bottom, 1 or 2, we can cut it and we can remove it and again we can tie it, right?
No, not required, ma'am. You just allow, you keep feeding the mesh here. In fact, it will come like 4-5 months, it will keep taking it because volume wise, it will keep reducing. So you don't have to worry. Don't, at the bottom, don't try to open it and do the things because it might lose its shape. So just allow it, keep dumping it. It will suffice the volume that you're there. So you can keep dumping. At the end, you can take it out.
They are asking, can we add coconut coir in that, in the dry leaf?
Yeah, they can add.
And what about cooked food? What about cooked food?
Cooked food also, ma'am. I used to put everything. Cooked food in the PVC coated mesh, I used to put. So that is not an issue. You can put cooked food, everything and anything. And I even did not chop it into small pieces and all. Just as is, I used to go and dump it, that's all. So as people were asking, this is at the end. We have tied it here, right? See, you can see here, we have tied it here. You just have to remove this twine wire, that's all. You remove this. Like this, it will open up. So like this, if you remove...
And how many... Okay.
You can
how many days
like
does it take to... Okay. How many days does it take to become compost? Whole thing?
Yeah, see, if you are using the microbes or this curd or anything else, then it will take around by 5 months to 6 months, you will get it. You can use it for your pots. But if you are carefree, okay, let it happen. Within 8 months, you will get it. Just allow, the nature will take care. We don't have to do anything. But people are like in a hurry. So if you are in a hurry, then add some microbes. You are adding more eaters there to it. That's all.
Then how about using in the apartment?
Hey, you can use in the apartment.
Where they get 20 to 30 kgs waste is generated. That is means waste, not leaf. I think so. Wet waste, that is kitchen waste.
Ma'am, that 20 to 30 kgs is nothing. You can easily do it in-house. Beautifully, you can use. Maybe if I can see your place, I can come to your place and I can guide you also. That's not an issue. You can easily do it. Please don't give it away. It's nothing. 20 to 30 kgs is nothing. In my own house, I produce 2 kgs. Yeah, even though we are just 3 people, we eat lot. So 2 kgs per day. That's what I'm counting now. I'm trying to count volume to weight now. So let's see. Easily you can do apartments. You can contact. I can guide. I can come over there also. I'll volunteer. So please don't give. That's all. The intention is you compost.
And one more person is asking if when it rains, whether this nutrition will not wash away to the roads.
That is there because if you are skipping outside the how we have kept, nutrition will go when it rains. But you can, if you are so conscious about the nutrition part, then you can put it inside, like inside compound also I can keep. So it will get into the soil. That can also be done. But usually in cities, it's there. But it doesn't mean that completely it will get washed out. Otherwise, earthworms would have not survived. So other microbes and all.
And they are asking only water is enough or microbes need to be added to this one.
Yeah, water is sufficient enough. As I said, if you are carefree, just put that mesh, keep dumping. Anywhere rainfall will keep happening. So water will suffice. So what you do when you are doing that 10 feet diameter now, you put 1 feet of leaf into it, water it, then another 1 feet, water it, and leave it to the nature. 8 months, you will get 1 tractor load of compost is ready for you from 1 mesh. See, you can produce 340 cubic feet of compost from 10 feet diameter ring.
And one more person was asking, do we need to keep anything in between the mesh and the soil? On the ground?
Nothing. Don't keep. Let the earthworms come. They will be happy. They will do their job. Don't keep anything. Not required. But if you don't have option, if you have a cement, then you can keep it. Not an issue. You can keep it on soil or on the cement. Not an issue.
And one more person is asking, we are in temple. Can we put this waste to coconut tree? We normally do that. I'm talking about in village. He stays in village.
Yeah, that is anyway you're doing naturally. You can put it to the coconut. That they can do. But if they don't, like in cities, especially space is a problem. So we are here. The idea is we are using the vertical space, like 4 feet height. It is there. The mesh is 4 feet height. So we are using the vertical space there, so we can compost it.
And one more person is asking, what is the carbon footprint present in the leaf compost? Any idea?
See, if you calculate the amount of dry leaves that we are burning just like that, I think compared to that, this is nothing. And this mesh will come about 3 to 4 years. There will be absolutely no problem. You can aram se use it. So if you see that way, all the 4 years you can harvest. You're not burning any leaf. If you take my own house, if the trees are there, even our neighbor is now putting, you can imagine the whole thing is getting covered now. So if you see that way, then yeah, in a way we leave only carbon footprint is there. Some bit print will be there. So if you see in HCV, HAL,
yeah, please continue.
So if you see in big like in BHEL, etc., in those places, they just burn. Even in government schools, in private schools, in the front it will be so damn beautiful. Okay, all will give good lectures on environmental day, and all the days make big function. And at the backyard, they just burn the leaves. So I don't understand this concept. What we say and what we do has to match, which is not matching. So when metal mesh was there, people said that no, it is costly, we cannot do it. When we got to the PVC coated mesh, it is so easy, please do it. Then they have problems. So it is the intention should be very clear.
One person is asking, is there any alternative for PVC?
It is there. Instead of PVC coated mesh, the advantage is you don't have to paint it. And the cost is very less. So it will appeal the masses. to implement it. There is something called as galvanized, what they call as galvanized mesh, which they say it won't get rusted. So you can use that. It will not get rusted, but the cost is very high. I think it is I think 6,000 rupees for from 15 meters. Or I don't know. There's the cost is high.
Is there
Go for
anybody from your side called Vishnu? He is asking, please allow me to explain.
Yeah. He is from our side. Yeah.
Yeah, please, can we do Deepak? Deepak, are you there?
Yeah, I speculated.
Yeah, Vishnu, ask him to
Unmute, please. Unmute. Vishnu. Just you unmute. Yeah.
Yes, good evening to one and all. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Hello? Yes. Namaskara illi bandiront sadasyarige. First thing, we have heard about the composting aspect completely. And now I have an important question is the PVC which has been generated every year produced, it is almost equivalent to 40 million ton worldwide. That is, what is the carbon footprint which we are generating? Now, the PVC is insoluble. As we all know, it comes either flexible or in fixed for either piping purpose or for the mesh roll as mentioned. The major aspect to dissolve this is the tetrahydrofuran, which you people might be aware of, or in case if you are not aware, tetrahydrofuran is a very dangerous chemical which is used to melt PVC. And this is mainly used to melt the PVC at 260 degrees centigrade, which is a high melting point. So thereby, what is that we are actually, the composting aspect is one good thing, but the other aspect is the utilization of the PVC mesh. Recently, the Australian government announced the same utilization of, instead of the PVC mesh, they started off with something called as water soluble mesh roll. Sometimes you might have heard there are sutures or stitches which have to be done to the human body when there is some operation or something. When you have some wound which has to be operated, such sutures and stitches would be used, water soluble stitches would be made. So there is, the Australian government has already tried to implement this water soluble mesh instead of the PVC mesh roll. It comes in various sizes. The main aspect what we are seeing is the tetrahydrofuran, which is a dangerous chemical. Once inhaled, it is very toxic in nature. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. But what you say,
Yes.
for this?
And moreover, now this is here we have seen in the video the type of composting, that is aerobic composting, utilization of the natural oxygen, as well as with the either with the earthworms or with the help of microbes. Now, if I have to explain, or rather explain, I have a question. Why isn't vermicomposting being done instead of the aerobic composting?
See, everybody cannot do vermicomposting because the problem is it requires a lot of care, and common man cannot do it. They just need, they don't have that much of patience to take care with the ants and everything. So you have to give a solution where it is easy to manage for all of them. Even an unskilled, uneducated, or don't have time category of people also should be able to do it. So as you can see, naturally the earthworms will come. So there are a lot of earthworms. It's not just that. You can visit my house. Naturally it has come and it is in the system and it is working. I don't have to introduce anything. So we are not here to produce the compost and sell it as such. It is just that we don't want the leaves to be burned. Give a cost-effective solution as much as possible so that this mesh can be utilized in a big way. In a sense, mesh is just a medium. As you said, if that is the case, then you should maybe talk to Australian government, get those products in India. Maybe we can use that in India.
Now, in fact, Amazon is already selling the products, water soluble mesh roll, for the purpose of composting, home composting, for
Then share the
both
link.
wet and
Share
dry
the link,
sites.
please.
Huh.
Share the link.
Yes, sure.
You should
And
have.
also,
This is.
Vishnu,
hello.
one second, both of you. 1 second, both of you. Vishnu,
Yes,
we
yes.
have given you sufficient time now. If you have more further questions, we will take later. Let the other people can need their time.
Sure.
Yeah, thank
Sure,
you so
sure.
much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Please share the link
Sure.
so that we can also buy. Yes, ma'am.
Suhasini,
Yes, ma'am.
there is one person asking, you have covered your this one, no? Your leaf meshes. You have covered with that mosquito mesh. Outside there is one this there.
Yes. The reason
Please
is
compost
because
bin.
true. The reason because of this, you see, when you go for metal, right? Metal is costly, so the gaps are more there. So instead of going for the smaller gaps in the metal, we have put that Netlon that was there in our house. It's an old Netlon that was there in our house. We have put it. That's all. Because metal, you can increase the gap and put this mesh also. So it is just that it will help in concising.
ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಚಾಮರಾಜಪೇಟೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನಂಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೂಡಿದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ವಿಳಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್,
I have already shared the number, I guess. Number has been shared.
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ, ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? They are corporators, BBMP corporators from other places. If anybody is from Ballari corporator BBMP, please raise your hands. If you have any questions, please let us know. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. And Suhasini, one more. This one is in the beginning you are showed some mesh, na? Quality and thickness and all those stuff. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I'll message in the group.
They did not get because there was net problem. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
My net is low here. That's why.
I can hear you, ma'am.
They want to see once again. Later you can show them. Before we closing the this one session. Yes, Deepak, can you take the questions? Do you have any questions?
That I got one compliment from the YouTube. As such questions is not there. So Mr. Ranjana has told that last year, by referring the Suhasini, they have done this same thing, and they are very happy with that. So
we can't hear you, Deepak.
You are able to hear me?
You need to raise your voice. Yeah.
Okay.
Talk loudly a little bit. Yeah.
Yes. So there is a compliment is there for Suhasini. The person has done the you're referring to your post. They have done this procedure, and they have got very good composed naturally. Earlier it was difficult to handle the leaves, which were so many leaves was there. So here's thank you to you.
So thank you. Please don't burn leaves. Do whatever method you want, but don't burn it. It is very simple. Just give a small space to it in your house. 3 feet is enough. It will take a lot of leaves. 1 tree's leaf it will take. So please give 3 feet space at least. At least we can do this to Mother Earth.
And one more question is, can we use bamboo or other natural material has been?
Yes, they can use. Aram se you can use. The only thing is the cost. Bamboo means the cost will increase. You can use the bamboos also, no issues. You can make a bamboo ring and you can use it. In fact, in Northeast and all, they use the same thing. Beautifully, you know what? There is a tree here. The tree is in the mid, surrounding it like a concentric circle they do. So whatever leaves that comes, put it there and compost it. So that can also be done. But here bamboos are costly. It is up to your budget. It depends on the budget. See, the pit system, nobody would be interested because you have to dig it. Then again, after compost, also you have to pick it up. Then again, it's a labor-oriented process. This is a very simple thing. Just remove it and put it. In a way, carbon footprint is always there. As he said, if we get that material, that is also fine. It's best thing. So it's just that what we want to achieve.
And one person is giving you suggestion. One suggestion is, why can't you collaborate with BBMP to get this at a colony or community level apartments, have houses keeping staff, and could be practical for apartments? What is
I don't know whether I can be honest here or not. Yeah, I mean, it's not that they don't know. In fact, one of the officers supported in the RR Nagar. So that is why you can see in Ideal Homes Pura, we have put in RR Nagar. But others, they are yet to find out and they have to get into it. But yeah, you know BBMP, right? So I don't have to explain.
Okay, anybody have any questions? Let us know, raise your hands, we can take it. Otherwise,
Yeah. Podium is open now. You can unmute yourself and then ask the questions.
and also you can share your experience. How was the session?
Lastly, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is a doubt that why they should put only mesh. Why can't they dig the ground and they put the leaf compost and then again they will clear it?
Yeah, that's what. In the pit, what happens is it's a labor oriented process and it's an anaerobic thing, so it will take bit time. In aerobic it is faster. So pit is if you have space and time and labor, you do it, no problem. There are different methods that are there. It's not that this is the best method, but it is where you apply, how you apply is the question. Because people say we don't have time, people say we don't have money. So this is the best thing for them. No time, no money, don't worry. Just put this, keep dumping and use it.
So hi, myself Shravan. Can I ask one question?
Yes.
Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಒಣ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That soil is becoming a fertilized, it seems. So they will put it into the vegetables. ಏನ್ ಗಿಡಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. It is produce a heat, it seems. I'm not pretty sure it is like the method what you said and the method these people are doing. Is it both are similar or how?
No, we are
which
not
one is
burning anything here. We are literally not burning anything. We are just we are just giving time and space. That is what we want to avoid. Don't burn leaves. Let it go back to soil.
okay?
And you don't have to use mud also for this when you are compressing these leaves, okay? Because it will just take the volume. Soil doesn't do much, so just allow the leaves to be there. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, actually, when they burn, the organic and the live part of the material is lost. So it is going to just become ash. So it is not that helpful for soil.
Okay. Thank you.
and one more thing, what I'm doing in my apartment, we have some space and there are 9 houses. We have made a pit 2 to 3 feet deep and 2 by 6. And every day we put whatever leaf is collected in our road, we will collect it and we keep it. And we take a measurement as one wet, kitchen wet, and one bucket of kitchen wet means we are putting 1 bucket of leaf, layer by layer like sandwich. Then after some time, within within a week, we can see that all whatever waste is there, it becomes black. Again, what is top layer is there, few layers, we remove it, and again we put our kitchen waste in that. Again we cover it with the same thing whichever we had used. So in that way, even though if we have less leaf, you don't have to worry. In the apartment, you can do in this way. If you have any space, we have made one pit and no smell, nothing. Yeah, some rats will come, they will have their feast and they go back. They are not disturbing our plants which you have planted nearby. So in that way, people can do it, and we are covering it with thin sheet, so even rainwater won't get in. In that way, people can do no smell and thing. In I think so, in 2 months you'll get this ready compost. Yeah, any questions?
Hello.
Yeah.
Actually, we live in apartment. ನೀವು ಅವಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದಲ್ಲ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ you just showed for the kitchen waste you showed bucket with holes, right?
Yeah.
So if me being in apartment, if I put my daily wet waste, vegetable or food waste, whatever it is, so one layer I have to put that, one layer every day I have to put a coco pit, right?
Yes.
How many days it will take for me to use it?
30 to 40 days you will get the compost.
Okay. Thank you.
So you'll have to keep 2 bins so that one is full, another you and another will get emptied after harvesting.
Oh. And that will not give rise to mosquitoes and all?
No. It's just that the consistency. If it is too wet, you will have to put more coco pit. If it is too wet, it will you will get this maggots. If it is too wet, it will take more time to compost. See, in 2-3 days time you will learn. If it is too wet, add more coco pit to it. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Prabhakaran here, Uma madam and Suhasini madam, it's a very good presentation. Suhasini, I have seen your video for 6 months or 8 months. I have translated your Kannadiga video to Tamil also, and to my US friend, and circulated in some people in Coimbatore. So I am in the process of building your thing now only, because the last meeting, Uma madam shared your video once again in Terrace Garden group, I suppose. Good that it's a very good enlightening. Some of my doubts were cleared, and that's why I was asking like mosquito mesh and other things. I am going to donate this for 2 temples here. That is my prime aim first, and I am doing already soil bin composting. And today I decided I have to stop bin composting. This is very easy. I might
Easy actually, yes.
Yeah, I can go for it because the maggot was the biggest problem since the monsoon started, and I believe if it is in this way, even you can keep outside the road, no issues of maggots, and good people are going to come. Until otherwise, Uma madam introduced vermicomposting, and I didn't see even single earthworm in my pots. Now I have plenty, and all these appraisals goes for Uma madam's recent live workshop. So now I can go for this also.
Yeah, actually, if you see, I'm surprised in the metal mesh. There's a lot of earthworms. I don't know how it has come. It's a cement, no, I don't know the nature, but then a lot of earthworms are there. I was so surprised. In bunches, it is there. How it has come in that metal, that too in the cement, that outside, I don't know. But then it's beautiful to see them.
Definitely, like it's not possible in case of bin composting. I am ever done like 15-16 cycles over 1.5 year. No single earthworm, there is no scope. But in this method, when you say earthworms are coming, it's a very big boon.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks for nice organization, field demonstration, and the satellite centers for explanation. It's a very well organized event. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
And there is somebody called Bhuvan. Bhuvan, can you unmute yourself and do you have any questions?
Good evening, guys. Well, on behalf of Suhasini ma'am, I would like to answer about that Aquamesh. So I just checked about that Aquamesh. Well, it's pretty costly compared to what Suhasini ma'am is suggesting regarding the PVC one, and the Aquamesh will be only like one-time use, whereas the PVC one you can use it for or almost 4-5 years, and since this PVC one can be lasted for long, and this Aquamesh has some issues with it, and can like it as one of our attendees said that it gets dissolved. What we use in operations and all, it gets dissolved and you can't use it again. So we would like to go along with what Suhasini ma'am has suggested. We can prefer the PVC one. I would like to say that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Any idea we should be open, Bhuvan?
Sure, like I was also about to interrupt with this message, with a message here.
Yeah,
Like,
there is one
I
more
was
person
very
who
much-
has raised their hand.
I am totally against, because one time if you are purchasing PVC, we are going to use it for lifetime. First thing, whether the person has a button in his shirt made up of that material, that we should ask. And also Bhuvan was telling, it is going to be biodegradable, so it won't work for us.
Okay, there is one more lady, I think so, Ritu or somebody. She has raised her hand. Yeah, madam, can you, what questions you have?
First of all, wonderful session. And I am a MTech environment engineer, and I have done my MTech project on the compost. And even you are doing with respect to the mesh, and I have done underground. I have digged the hole, and in that all my leaf, garden leaf, I'm putting inside it, and automatically it is getting composted. So the thing is, just before selling, are you doing any sieving to this compost? Sieve?
Are you doing what?
Sieve, like what you say Marathi, like
Sieving?
sarni.
No sieving. Directly you can use. People come here, they have directly used it for their pots. No sieving
Okay.
and all, nothing. Direct. The
Nothing.
land, so you can easily do it. Within 4-5 months, you can
And
put it
have
to the
you
land.
are you any plans?
Sorry?
Okay. So are you doing any, are you having any plans to get it checked through the laboratories, environmental laboratory, the quality of the compost and all? Anyhow, if there is earthworm, means it is totally natural. And what is the ratio, like C/N ratio is there, that is within 17 actually it is required to create the humus quality, to see the quality of the compost. Are you planning further to go at technical deep with this compost to prove the quality of it and convince the people with respect to the certification, the quality of the compost? Are you planning to see?
Maybe
let's
after
take this
this,
question.
I'll have to do it. Maybe
Suhasini,
after this, I'll do it. But now what I'm doing is like volume to weight I'm measuring, because people just say randomly. I want to check the exact volume to weight. I'm doing that study. Apart from quality and all, I didn't do. When I started, my intention is please don't burn. When I said don't burn, they said what to do, mosquito, etc. Then that's how this started, the journey. Okay, you want simple method, now take simple method, do it. At least do this. So that was the intention. Maybe I'll take your suggestion, ma'am. But laboratory things and all, it will cost us. So I have to see what is the cost, etc. But it is a good compost. As people who have taken, right, the growth is the plant growth is good, not an issue.
Can I take this question?
Actually, we are
Suhasini?
having environmental laboratory. Yeah.
One second.
I can send it to you if you
it is
can.
really practical.
One second. Let
Yeah,
me
it is
answer your
practicable
question.
and very nice session.
Let me answer your question. First of all, see, whatever is the organic matter is there in this environment, everything is very good. Kitchen waste, because we are eating food. What food we are eating, that one we are making the compost. The leaf, if you go in the forest, you will get only leaf. How this forest is survived? Because of leaf. Leaf is the food for the plants in the forest. And naturally you're seeing earthworms. Earthworms are breaking down this leaf. And if you search for about the vermicompost, it is very good. It has so many types of microbes in the this one vermicompost. So don't at all worry about that. See, instead of piling up in so many landfill, this is very good. And it is very good for our plants. You don't get any side effect about this, because leaf is the nature gifted to us, to the nature, to the forest, and we're putting whatever we are using. Is it a poison? whatever we are eating, vegetables, fruits, that we are putting in the compost, and that is turned into compost. So don't get into so many conflict about this. This is very good. Whatever we are doing, this is very good, and nature is taking care.
I'm actually,
What is this microbes?
Actually, I'm appreciating.
One second, because I'm asking question, answering for the whole group, not only for you. What are these microbes? Microbes are nothing but they are the unseen, means microorganisms which will break down this compost. So this is very good, and no one should have any doubt about this. And one more person was asking about the methane, how much methane is released. My God, so much in microbes it is coming out, and that which naturally coming out from this such this one vermi compost or such this natural compost, that will be taken care by the nature. When so much poison is released in the landfill, this is very good, no? So we should not think about the microbes things which is happening in nature. That nature will take care. Yeah, please. Yeah, what you're telling?
One has to really remember.
Yes, madam, you're telling.
One has to remember the Belandur fire, lake fire. So that is poisonous. Here we are actually working on the organic material, kitchen waste, household waste. That means if at all we are eating good things, we are making good manure out of whatever we are growing, right? So absolutely no doubt, 100% I support this. I think should not be any problem for the environment.
I have a video where I've collected all the earthworms. Okay, here I have not introduced even one. Even I was surprised in the soil. There so much earthworms were there. I was literally surprised. So I will show that video how much earthworms. Just dig it, you will get it on the top only. So I was like, okay, fine. So it is like that. So it is like multiplied.
Yeah, the earthworm is the litmus test. If they only the thing is very good, then only this earthworms will come. Otherwise, they don't come. If you see in the farm, if they put urea and DAP, you don't see a single earthworm there because they don't like such environment. If the earthworms are coming, it's really wonderful. It's a litmus test for us. And if you put any plastic there, they don't eat. And if you put anything, no, once I have put in my vermicompost bin one cabbage. We have eaten cabbage, one little bit of left out. Later it became very dark. Then if I put it in the bin, the vermicompost bin, it was lying down for 1 month. They did not touch. That means it had a lot of pesticides, all the chemicals which had been used on it. So it is a litmus test. If it is not eaten by the earthworms, means you should be alert. You should become alert. They will show you. Yeah, madam, you are talking something about. We have interrupted you. Yeah, you want to say something?
No, I was actually appreciating a lot, and the way she has shown the composting, it is really very simple and common man language. Actually, we have to day-to-day life, we have to do the things where the more technical things or technical expertization is not needed, and really it is appreciable. And the way you are doing it is looking also so neat and clean, and in the garden, you know, the very attractive also. At the same time, aeration is also very easy. Like net mesh is there are so many holes. So anyhow, the air is flowing, and then automatic aerobic composting. The days require 90 days actually standard, but it may be possible with the turning. It may complete within the 30 days also. So really very good. And just I wanted to add this thing. Are you having any plans in future to get it checked from the environmental laboratory, the quality of the compost as compared to
we will do it, ma'am. This start was not there. Now maybe now we have asked, so we can also get it.
Because she has completed one level, you know, practical main thing she has covered. Now she can go deep into the technical side, and she can have a certification of the laboratory, and then according to that she can, you know, go ahead professionally also, and she can sell with respect to that. And the quality of the compost and the cost of the compost is decided on the basis of C/N ratio, like organic carbon cum nitrogen ratio.
Ma'am, what I'm doing is
within 17 it is required.
Ma'am, practically I'm doing what I'm doing is the
PK
is sweeping. No, PK who is sweeping, right? So she will pick all the leaf and she's putting in the mesh. Whatever I'm giving it away at 1 rupee. Okay, per kg like that, I'm giving it away. Now I made it 3 rupees. That money will go to her. So it will encourage her to put it in the mesh. So because she will sweep. In fact, in BBMP, now supervisors were not ready. Now he's seeing that compost and he's telling, madam, you put it in the park, I'll take care. But the compost is mine, right? I said, yes, the compost, you take it. We will put the mesh. So that's how it will sustain. Otherwise, no, people, common man as such, as you said, ma'am, for them, we have to make it easy so that they do it and own it.
Okay. Yeah, I thought.
And as compared to all the Zoom meetings, whatever lectures and everything is going on, here you have shown everything practical and it is so appreciable and very nice. Total, all the session, you know, it was very interesting. And thank you to Ravi sir, who has actually sent this Zoom meeting link to us. And our ISRAG members also joined, you know, in mid, and they have connected to this. And that's why you are attracting the ISRAG member. Like we are Rotarians, we are having Environment Sustainability Rotary Action Group. So the people we are seeing towards the simple solution and the implementation towards the community service. So really, it is very interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
My mother keeps saying one thing, ma'am. Before you say something, first you do it. First you do, then you tell. Otherwise, you shut your mouth. Don't keep preaching things. So that is the one philosophy I follow. I do it. I get the mistakes. Even small things also I have mentioned because I have done that mistake. So that's why I tell so that you don't do it. So that it is simple for you. As you can see, people are now coming. They are realizing, no, that's it.
All the presentation, your explanation way itself is telling that you have put a lot of heart in it and hard work and smart work you have done, and you are very much interested to aware the people about it, and you want to spread the very good message. And now the environmental is the 7th focus area come into the Rotary, and Rotary, each and every club has to take projects of environment, and this is the project where less investment is there. And really it is implementable, and people, they are doing global grants also. They are doing this thing for the community service. It is excellent. And immediately, you know, I used to do underground, like digging the hole and then putting, and immediately, you know, tomorrow onwards, I will be behind the mesh in my local area where it is going to, you know, get. So thank you, Uma ma'am. Thank you, everyone. And it is really very good, natural way of discussion, like, you know, and it is really interested and understandable also and implementable also. That's why thank you.
Yeah, we need to thank Suhasini. She took so much trouble and giving so much time.
Ma'am,
and
it's not
showing
trouble.
everything.
Seriously, it's not trouble. People should do now. If they do it, it's wonderful. Please share photos, if you're doing it. Please do that.
Yeah, please.
Because live examples are required. I see it took literally 1 year for my neighbor to get convinced. They themselves were seeing it. We didn't say anything. Then they came forward. Okay, I will do it. I said, okay, do. Wonderful. Like that.
Yeah.
And you can see
I
she was
have done
standing
the
next to it
earthworm
also.
composting
There's
for
no
1
smell.
year.
Sorry?
Even I have done earthworm composting I have done for 1 year, and I know that it is totally required. Like a baby, you have to look after the earthworm, because at the time starting, earthworm is not getting settled. Totally new environment with the food and with the environment and with the temperature we have to maintain, you know. But your way of working is that ultimately you are doing only natural way of composting with the leaf, but that is ultimately earthworm composting only, because earthworms are naturally attracted and you are having very good quantity of earthworm. So very good quality of your compost. So ultimately our both purpose is getting solved. It is earthworm composting also.
True.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
And anybody is welcome to my house. If you want to see live, please come to my house. No problem. Anytime. Because please implement it.
Share your contact number so that we are far away. We are where are you living? That I don't know, but at least through the WhatsApp we can send the live pics and everything, and your pics also you share, so that to the other Rotary people we can, you know, circulate this, and the people they can implement, you know, with respect to the pic. So step by step, your whatever the procedures are there, if you send the pic accordingly, so we can circulate it, and we can arrange one Zoom meeting also again.
Sure, ma'am.
With your
Anytime.
expertise.
Anytime, ma'am.
Thank you.
Deepak, do you have any questions? Do we have any questions?
Share the contact number and email ID, please. Email ID and contact number, please share on the chat.
It is there in the chat.
It's shared, ma'am.
I posted it. It is there. Okay, you see the chat.
Deepak, do you have any questions?
No, I don't have. I don't see also any.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everybody. Suhasini, thank you so much. Tumba thank you. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಅರೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾವ ನನಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ. ಟು ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀಯಾ. So next session will maybe around maybe about microbes, how they help for the plants, for the soil, and how to attract microbes in our pots. I think so I'll be taking it. And what are the things you need to take care for to multiply these microbes. Microbes are we can say it as a cook at home, which prepares food for the plants. If you don't have any more microbes in your pots, then you don't get good yield. In that way we will take the next session, I think so. Thank you so much for everybody participating and attending the sessions. Thank you so much, Suhasini and Deepak and others. Yeah, they all are the backbone for our sessions. And we'll be eating head to Deepak so much. He's so busy, but still he makes time for these webinars. Thank you so much. And even Suhasini's backbone was supporting you in the background and was taking care of your camera. Yeah, you can thank them. Yeah.
Actually, all the volunteers now, like Bhuvan and this, my friend is there because of him. Otherwise, it would have been like, I'm not so, even Rakesh, all of them have helped me out. So I thank them all. So thank you, but please do it. Please don't listen and leave, please. That's the only request. Please do.
Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Suhasini.